sorry. Okay, here I come. I'll come back. Sorry. Back at the Goodwill outlet on this very blustery day. And that's actually why I wanted to go, because when the weather's really bad, that generally means that thrifting is going to be really good. Plus it's December, which means a lot of people are making donations. So I'm going to find some great stuff today. I just have a feeling. I've always dreamed of finding the bins, and I cannot believe I actually did it. Like, what? It's so surreal. I'm channeling it, all the good vibes. Come along with me and cross your fingers for me. I'm looking this up because this felt nice. The brand is Mikowski, and it's like a leather satchel. Comps look like really pretty good. Yeah, I say we take the risk. So this, if this sells, it could be like 20 bucks profit. Is this what I think it is? It's probably not. It's got the Nova check. Oh, darn. It's a Furbury. So these sell super great, but I can't find the match. So I'm gonna hold on to it. Fingers crossed, find the matching one.
You can do it. I believe in you.
All right, guys. Ted Baker is a great brand. It's high-end. It's a luxury brand. I'm gonna check. I mean, other than like a sweater shave, I think it's in good condition. It's selling for between 30 and 40 bucks. I think we can count on about $20 profit on this. Yeah, so this is gonna have to be a cop for me.
You had me at Meet Tornado.
Because this is my favorite show. It's got some vents. The tag is missing, but I looked inside. I knew it. I could sense it. I could feel it. It's not a good day until we find it. The crops, I mean, clearly this needs to be washed. The crops don't sell as great for me. I'd say at least $15 profit here. Okay guys, Future Ashley here, and I didn't explain at the bins as I'm compiling footage here that I'm going to be taking all my profits that I make from the Goodwill outlet and using those profits to buy items for like my own dream wardrobe. So last time I was able to get this amazing Lululemon coat that I've been having my eye on forever. This time around, I have my eye on something from Kate Middleton's wardrobe. She notoriously has one of the most sold out, hard to find wardrobes in the entire world. Anytime she steps out somewhere and is wearing something new, that item sells out immediately. So it can be really hard to find anything that she's worn online anywhere, even for resale. So I'm going to try to add an item of clothing from Kate Middleton's wardrobe to my own wardrobe, just because maybe like she can transfer some classiness over to me. Who knows? So stay tuned to see if I can afford it with my profits from this haul and what I got. This just caught my eye. I have no idea. It looks like a streetwear brand. Maybe I just grab it. This is a great brand. It's like a wool skirt. It retails for like a ton of money, but I think this could easily be about like 90 bucks, 60 bucks, 25. Yeah, this will sell fantastic. This is one of those shirts that like I just, for the life of me, like what does that say?
Excuse me, what?
Oh, this is a really cool Nike Pro half zip. Really good condition. Fun print. Okay, I'm seeing listings around 25 bucks. I think that's about what I could sell it for, which means I'd get like $15 profit for it. Citizens of Humanity is a very consistent seller for me. So I think these are a men's 20 bucks profit. Got some Nike fleece, well not, I don't know if they're fleece, but fully lined joggers. These are such a consistent seller for me. 25 bucks every time. So I think this is an easy, like at least $15 profit. Guys, we've got some more Ted Baker. This is really cute too. I might have to look this one up just to make sure we can count on like at least $20 profit on this one. Oh my word, you guys. Look at this. They're little babies. So I actually sold the fleece. I got some multicolored fleece Patagonia pants for babies. They sold for $25 in like one day. Got some Zaya. It's like a Zaya bra. This brand does really well. 15 bucks profit here. This is a newer tag. Nike leggings. So like 20 bucks there. Profit. Some more. Zaya bra. Nike leggings. Mountain Hardwear is really good. This is a good condition little dress. I'm gonna have to look up comps, but I think this is at least 15 bucks. Okay, here we go. Peruvian Connection. I love this brand. 40, so I think this could be like $25 profit right there. Nice. I have sold Loco Lindo before. These are more like shorts. It sold quick. I mean, you can see some of their dresses go for $90. We'll just try. I think this could be like at least $15 profit, let's say. Okay, we got Peter Millar. It's embroidered. Gallatin cup, let's see. Even embroidered, these seem to do well. Let's grab it. I think this could be $20. I really do. This is another very expensive golf brand. KJUS. Look at this. Pre-owned, $109, $100. I mean, I don't know what this will go for, but clearly this is very expensive. So this could be, let's say like $30. $30 profit. Okay, we've got a Garnet Hill linen dress. I love picking up linen. It does well for me. And I'm seeing comps in the $40 range, so $30 profit. Okay, Smart Wool goes for good money. So this is like, I see $150, and this is Smart Wool, so I would say this is like an easy $30. So I was like, is this Johnny Was? No. So Johnny Was is a brand I'm always looking for, and it looks similar to this. It's like boho style, lots of embroidery, but I rarely if ever find it.
Never give up. Trust your instincts.
This is some kind of Nike hoodie. It's just a bread and butter. A basic red tag. I think it's newer. I had to look this up, but Mark Kane seems to be like $30, $40, $50 range. $30 on that one. So my cute friend also gave me this Ishak tea dress. I love selling this brand. It sells great for me. It's a good size, XL. So I think it'll sell for, I don't know, maybe $40. And then of course I've got to get the can. You guys know, these are size 28, so that's a good size. They sell for me consistently. So these will be like probably $15 profit.
Please stop smacking me.
This is another pickup for me. I have to.
If it'll make you happy, we'll go to Paris and eat out of their dumpster.
Cool Carhartt tee. That'll be for the kids. These are awesome. These are like a newer tag, Nike Dry Fit. Yeah, this is from just this summer, 2022. Some intimately free people. This is like, this style isn't super in anymore, but I do think it'll still sell, just not for tons. Maybe $10 profit. You guys, what? I cannot believe I found it. And I was just talking about it. So Johnny Was is a brand I'm always looking for. I rarely if ever find it. Oh my gosh. There's a tiny tear. But I'm gonna fix that because this is like over $100. Okay, I just had to try the Johnny Was dress on. I did stitch it up and you wouldn't even know, like I was totally able to sew it up without any problems, probably because there's lots of like pattern on this, so it hides any like stitches really well. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute. I love Johnny Was, and I cannot believe I found this dress at the bins. Like this retails for $250. So check this out. New with tags free people. Retails for $98. Guys, what the heck? That's amazing. But this could be like $40 profit. I've been here for like 4 hours now. My back hurts. Okay, this is another grail for me. One of my favorite movies. Oh, no way. I mean, I see one that sold for $30, but again, this might be one that I just end up keeping. Some Carhartt, women's or men's? I think they're women's. Yeah, Carhartt sells great. I don't know, $15 profit there. Hey, okay. A North Face puffer vest. Yeah, so you can see these go for good money. $30 at least. So that's like, it's lightweight, like $20 for me. Athleta Girl, but it's really nice. Came out fall of 2021, so it's pretty recent. I think this will sell great. This is just a Nike day. Got some Nike heathered joggers. These have always just, again, consistently sold for me $20-25, so 10 to 15 profit. Some more free people. It's like oversized sweater. Oh, this is really cute. I just had to share that this is the Free People sweater. I cleaned it, and I know I have like a million oversized sweaters, but I just love it. It's so cozy and cute. Can you ever have too many oversized sweaters? That is the question.
Yes.
Military jacket. That is sick. This one 100, 200. I think to be fair, $40 profit is probably accurate on that one. That's so awesome. too, and it's true. It's Carhartt. These cargo pants, and then a button down. Let's go. Oh my gosh. A little tiny North Face jacket. This is so cute. I think this has to be for Craig.
Look at your jacket. Oh, you look so handsome in your little jacket.
The Sony for Target, new with tags. I mean, it still sells 30, 40. You know, let's just try. I can't not. I just recently sold a pair of these Nike Pro Combats. They sold for like 30 bucks, and maybe 20 bucks profit here. Oh my gosh. Is TJ's size? Oh, it's a large, but still. I hope not. It's like a fleece full zip. This is such a grail. Oh my gosh. My lucky day, guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, here I come. I'll come back. Sorry. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, that was intense. I was there for 6 hours, you guys. I'm gonna see what sells quickly. I really want to build that budget for my wardrobe, so I think this stuff will move quickly. I think this is really, really solid stuff that I got today. You guys know what time it is. Treat time. Except this is the last time. This is the last time I'm getting a treat. Because remember, the haters have won. I'm gonna quit. Okay, that was an amazing bins haul. I'm so thrilled with the amount of profit that we have, hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of it. I think it'll all sell quickly. So I think it allows me to splurge a little on an item that I've had my eye on. And that's this dress that I've seen Kate Middleton wear. And it's absolutely beautiful. Always wanted it. I've been too afraid to buy it because of course anything that she wears is jacked up in price a ton. So I'm splurging a little. I'm getting the exact dress. I found it on Poshmark. Let's open it and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, here it is. Oh, I bought it on Poshmark. I am a little concerned it might not fit me. Okay, here it is. Fingers crossed, you guys. Is it gonna work? I hope. I'm a little concerned this won't fit because I'm a little bit of a thick queen and they only have this in one size, but sometimes dresses can be a little bit more forgiving. So cross your fingers for me because I think this will be absolutely beautiful if I can make it work. Here it is, you guys. Here is the dress on. It's giving grandma's nightgown. I'm not sure it's like my style. And it's not even the dress Kate Middleton was wearing in that picture. This is kind of a bust, but you guys can let me know in the comments. Maybe it's cute and I'm just like not used to wearing this style. I don't know. But thank you for joining me. It made it way more fun. Even though this dress is not going to end up in my closet, in my dream wardrobe, it was still fun to go to the bins. We had a very successful bins day. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.